Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Ulefone 16 Note Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our Play Store because we have to install Dolby On from here. Now we have to click open, skip, not now, no thanks, and by clicking this button right here we're gonna start audio recording with way better quality than default audio recorder. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.